Thank you so much. We had a great time, didn't we?
Let's do it again.
Okay, let's do it. Well, I can't do it today, but why don't we do it through the food?
Let's do it.
You want to?
What we cooking?
How does chocolate creme brulee sound to y'all?
Yum.
Custardy and creamy and warm and coated with a melted sugar topping.
Enough. Let's do it.
So I've got 8 eggs that I need to separate, y'all, and I just need the yolks. And now you've got cream?
3 cups of heavy cream.
How long has it been since we made that trip?
That's been a few years, I think, hasn't it?
Maybe 4 years? Were we married? You know, in a way, it seems like it's been forever.
I know it.
Instead of just 3 or 4 years.
Well, we've packed a lot into our short marriage.
We have. We had to make up for lost time, didn't we?
I know it.
In Michael's pot now, he's got a 1-ounce square of unsweetened chocolate that he's chopped. Just watching Michael in Paris, y'all, looking in all those store windows with all the chocolate and the pastries and the breads. Michael was literally in hog heaven. All right, now tell everybody what you're doing, Michael.
Put 2½ tablespoons of liqueur.
A wonderful chocolate liqueur. We're gonna put 3/4 a cup of sugar, y'all.
1 tablespoon and 1½ teaspoons of cocoa.
So you've got almost 2 tablespoons of cocoa, y'all. 3 teaspoons make a tablespoon. So we're just a little shy of 2 tablespoons. So you could always, if you didn't want to fool with getting that precise, you could always just put in a couple of tablespoons, because a little bit more chocolate ain't gonna hurt, is it?
Okay, now.
All right. We'll add our vanilla last, Peepaw.
Okay, wait.
Because we don't want our vanilla flavoring to cook out.
Right.
And then I'm just gonna beat these eggs up. And after this gets warm, we're gonna temper our eggs and put it back in here. So tell me, what was your favorite thing in Paris?
Chocolate shop, Maison de Chocolat. It was
Maison
de
du Chocolat.
But it was an incredible place. It had all kind of chocolates, and I could have been locked up there overnight. That's a fantasy.
You want to know what my favorite was? Can't remember the name of the restaurant, but y'all, it was fabulous. The
one that the roof opened?
Fancy. They hit this button, and this ceiling folded back. You were sitting here in this formal dining room, and then all of a sudden you were eating under the stars. It was fabulous.
Had a moonroof.
It did. The restaurant had a moonroof.
Ready for the vanilla?
Put that vanilla in there before you have a baby.
Okay, 1½
I
teaspoons
want you to
of vanilla.
hold off on it, but you go ahead and put it.
Okay.
All right, now, Michael, I just want to see what this feels like. Oh, my goodness. That coffee liqueur.
Now put that vanilla extract in at the perfect time.
I mean, perfect timing. Michael's always right, y'all.
You can say that again.
Michael's always right, y'all. All right, so this is warm enough, Michael.
Okay.
So what I want you to do is just pour me a little bit, because we want to temper that. And tempering just means slowly bringing up to heat, because we don't want our brulee to wind up like chocolate scrambled eggs. Okay.
Want some more?
Yes. Okay. All right, so now we're just gonna transfer this back to the pot.
Okay.
And we're gonna finish mixing it all together. All right, now pour it over in here, Mikey. All right, now, Michael.
Yes.
I had my strainer up here just in case that lumped up on us, but it didn't lump. This is really beautiful. Now, we're gonna cook these in a water bath. And what I want you to do, Michael, is get your boiling water, and we're gonna fill up our baking dish, y'all, about halfway full. So it'll come up.
First?
Yes, go ahead. And then that way I won't have to worry about you dumping hot water in my creme brulee.
About halfway, you said?
Perfect.
Can't get better than perfect.
No, you can't. All right. I'm just gonna fill up all these ramekins. Look at that. And I'm gonna have almost, Michael, 6 completely full cups.
Good?
We're gonna cook it in a slow oven, y'all, 300 degrees, for about 30 to 45 minutes.
Good, I'm planning to eat. I'm planning to eat in 45 minutes. Dessert first.
Dessert, always dessert first. Life is short.
I know.
Eat dessert first.
That's right.
I'm gonna finish up our chocolate brulee, and I'm just gonna sprinkle a little sugar on these, y'all, and then I'm gonna fire them. That fire is gonna make that sugar just melt all on top of these. Now, I've chilled these brulees in the refrigerator, so they're nice and cold, y'all. Look, I'm making a mess with the sugar, and I don't care. That's absolutely fine, because I want to get it evenly over it. All right, so here we go. Y'all ready? Hope the hairspray doesn't explode. Who's scared?
That's why I'm gonna stand behind
Here we go. I love doing this. You just want to be careful that you don't scorch.
That you don't catch this on fire.
Yes, that's one of the things you have to be careful of.
There you go.
Jamie, as I get these done, would you curl me some chocolate? And I'm gonna put a little bit more sugar. See, I like sugar all around those edges. I want a lot of crystal.
That looks really, really good.
Doesn't it look really, really good?
Look really, really good. I'm just waiting on something to catch fire.
And it'll probably be my hair.
I hope not, because I'm really close to your hair.
All right, now Jamie's curling us some chocolate. Whoa.
Wow.
And it won't take the sugar, y'all. Whoa! It won't take it but just a second to harden up. And when we go to eat this, it's gonna crack. All right, aren't these beautiful though?
They look great.
I love the bananas. All right, there you go, Bobby. Ow!
Then you grab it again. So you
That
grab
was, well, see, it's cold on the bottom because they've been refrigerated.
Yeah.
It's just, no, I got my own, but thank you, love button. All right.
Love button?
Look at that. Whoops, I lost my vegetable.
Vegetable. Oh.
Would you like a bite?
Oh my gosh.
Look
It's
at
so
that.
great. No, it's so
It's
rich.
so
It's so
good.
good. I love it.
It's one of my favorite things to.
Look, y'all. See that caramelized sugar? Now you see it. Now you don't.